After the hands-on look of S25 Ultra, this is the most important thing people think about before buying a new phone. Before showing the hands-on look of S25 Ultra, people were asking me about the color options of S25 Ultra, and before it was not confirmed which color option this time we can see from Samsung, but ICE confirmed it. There are 4 basic color options we are going to get: black, green, blue, and titanium. Now honestly, all of these colors would name after titanium, which means titanium black and more, but the main color option would still be gray titanium, just like the S24 Ultra, although there will be a special edition color options available from Samsung's official website, but not sure which one. Maybe white color option is coming, as I've heard from sources. Let me know which one you are going to buy, and if you're among the people who use cases for their phones, then color options doesn't matter for them. By any chance, if you're up for buying the Tab S10 Plus or Ultra, Samsung is offering up to $800 trade-in deals and 50% off on Tab accessories, which you can check from a prior listed here. Now before moving on to the hands-on look of S25 Ultra, I want to share a big thing about the Z Fold 6 Special Edition. Finally, it is coming tomorrow and there are some massive changes. The teaser is already out and there is not much we can take out of it. Although the Z Fold 6 Special Edition is going to feature a bigger display, both inner and cover display, and finally featuring the 200 megapixel main sensor. But there is one big downside. Samsung will only offer this in 2 countries, South Korea and China, and I believe if we see a better response, maybe we get similar features in the Z Fold 7, or maybe Samsung will later launch in the international market, but these are limited models, so it's not coming. And if you can't wait for the Z Fold 7, you can check our latest deals for the Z Fold 6 from a forum listed here. Now let's get back to our S25 Ultra hands-on. Do you guys remember these protectors, which I explained how S25 Ultra is different from its base version, S25 and S25 Plus? This picture was shared by ICE, and now he shared this image with the code holding the S25 Ultra in your hand. This is a screen protector of S25 Ultra. This further confirms 2 major things about the display of S25 Ultra. First, the bezel size. These are extremely small, which is a big plus, and if you're thinking maybe we get bigger one on a real phone, no. This is the actual bezel size of S25 Ultra. Second, the rounded corners. I mean, it is rounded, but less rounded compared to the S25 and S25 Plus. Let me explain with another live hands-on. This is another screen protector image for the Galaxy S25 entire series. Look, S25 and S25 Plus both gets the same rounded design, but S25 Ultra is different from both phones. Reason? It should have a look and a feel of Ultra, aka Note lineup. We all know back in 2022, Samsung merged S Ultra and Note lineup with the S22 Ultra, so Samsung will have to keep the same boxer design but remove the sharp corners, and the display is getting an update. M14 will be a new panel used for the S25 series, and all those gray display issues are fixed, and this thing will increase the peak brightness from 2600 nits on S24 Ultra to 3000 nits on S25 Ultra. Remember, if you like S24 Ultra boxier design, you can get big deals right now, which you can check from a prior listed in this video. On this note, if you find value from this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.